Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the 49 and Market Echoes of Time collection. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. I really appreciate you joining me today. If you love 49 and Market as much as I do, you might want to check out this new collection. This is called Echoes of Time, and it is very romantic and steampunk and purpley, pinky pastels, so lots of things that I love, and I'm sure you will too. Before I started making projects with this, I wanted to show it to you while it was still whole and not missing pieces. So today I have to show you, we have the laser cut elements, laser cut wildflowers, rub-on transfers, the 12 by 12 collection paper pack, and the solids pack. I will let you know that there actually are 4 additional products that go along with this. They have the chipboard bits, the die cut elements, a 6 by 8 paper pack, and an additional rub-on set. So I don't have those pieces, but they are available. I thought we could go through this really quick so you can check it out, and it is like just so gorgeous. I can't even, yeah, as is usually 49 and Market products. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, so these are the rub-on transfers. Oops, sorry for the glare. I just got a bigger mat, and so I'm still trying to figure out where the glare is coming from and all that stuff. I apologize. Alright, so this is the rub-on transfers. And we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 sheets. And look at these. So we have, you know, the Harlequin, we have some newspaper prints, some gears, these gorgeous roses, and we have pocket watch. Oh, I just love this. I love with the roses up into the watch. That is unbelievable. I love this. We have some like tapestry, wallpaper kind of look, some pipes. Like I said, this is very steampunk. You have these little stitch marks too, so you can you know, do a really cool effect on your project to make it look like it was stitched. And then this third one, we have a little bit different color, and oh, I just love this one right here. We have some lace. I love this distressed, like with the roses and the writing and all of that. So beautiful, these rub-ons. And 49 Market rub-ons are awesome. They go on so easily. And then on the back sheet, you could use these as cut aparts or put them on your project. So that is really cool. Alright, let's see next. We can look at the laser cut elements. Look how fun this is. You get, let's see, it's 4 sheets and 113 pieces. Look at this already. Look at this window. And if I can get in here, I would love to show it to you. Okay, and as in typical 49 and Market form, you have the back sheet is a cut apart sheet. Look at this steampunk cat. He's so cute. I just love this. Look at this. These colors are unbelievable. Alright, so we'll fold open the first one. I'm like overwhelmed with how many things are on here and how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness. I love the little critters. Look at this owl. We have some light fixtures, frames, pipes. You have that little kitty as a cutout there. Chair. You have an old, what do I want to say? Like one of those really old cameras with the, like, hiding under the sheet. Lots of frames. Look at the little guy. Oh my goodness. Lots of gears. You got the birds. Alright, we'll look at the second one. And these are so easy to pop out. They are kind of delicate, so you do need to be a little careful, but they come right out. So here we have a chain. They're already wanting to come out and play. Look at this window. Holy cow. That would be great for a card front. Put some of the roses on there. Old lunchbox. Satchel, luggage, the pipes. This is so interesting with the pipes. You can punch out all the middles. So you could do a really cool thing with like flowers or pictures behind there. Love the umbrella. Oh, look at the butterflies. This guy is so sweet. Oh my goodness. $49 at Market is just, it's always so intricate and gorgeous. I love it. Alright, here are the Wildflowers. And obviously you can mix and match all of these. And here's the cut aparts. Alright. Oh, wow, look at this. These are so beautiful. Oh, this vine, this whole thing. And the colors are so pretty with the peach and the pink and the lavender. Like, I love the mix of colors on that. Ugh. Look at the other one. And these big clusters would be perfect for a card front. You wouldn't even really have to do much, just add a sentiment. So pretty. And this is like a steampunk butterfly body. You can layer it on top of the other one for a little dimension, so that's cool. Alright, we'll get into the paper pack. I won't go through the solids because it's just the different colors. But everything matches perfectly. And then we have the collection paper pack. Actually, I want to check. I have my 49 and Market inks right here. And they had said that going forward, they were going to start matching the, sorry, I'm thinking and talking, match the inks to the papers and everything so you can get that color coordination. So how awesome is this? I think that's good for that. Alright, so that's cool. Alright. good to know that that is accurate. They are releasing the papers to match with the new inks. So I'm glad to check that. All right, let's check out this gorgeous paper though. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about it. Okay. So you get an extra sheet on the back, and how gorgeous. Like, I just can't even with this purple and the distressing and the stripes. Oh my word. All right. Oh goodness. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And if you want to make cards out of this, you can just, you know, cut the pieces out that you want. Oh my gosh, look at this. This would make a great card front. Just cut it here. You can even layer up the flowers. Oh, here's just a nice distressed kind of lacy page. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. I love this. Oh, a nice harlequin. Oh, this looks like the advertisements. And I love that the imagery is the same as in the laser cuts. If you're a scrapbooker, this would be awesome. You put your photo there and then add some flowers around. This beautiful grid. Oh, wow, look at this. Such a beautiful page. Oh, this, like, they just keep getting better and better. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. This is the same thing but in mint. I love 49 Market papers. This one's interesting. This is actually cut. Like, there's definite marks here, so they're giving you a guide of using these for card fronts or for other projects. You could make a great slimline card with these. These must be probably 4x6. Oh, now we have that stripe. Okay. All right. So we have that. And like I said, we have the solids pack that looks very textured. Kind of a printed texture look. That completely coordinates with that. We have our laser cut wildflowers. And the laser cut elements. And then we have our rub-on transfer pack. And again, there is a chipboard collection, die cuts, 6x8 paper, and another set of rub-ons if you wanted to get any other pieces from this. But like I said before, just before I tore into this and started making things, I just wanted to show it to you while it's in its whole state. And this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. So I will list everything that I showed you today in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And if you enjoyed this new product alert video today, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel. And it greatly helps me out in getting out my content to other crafters just like you. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.